Implementing precision engineering protocols and rigorous testing ensures reliable product performance throughout global operations.
Manufacturing sequence showing integrated production lines producing automated component placement utilizing advanced production equipment.
The manufacturing sequence utilizes precision measurement tools for rigorous testing and validation, implementing engineering. The manufacturing sequence utilizes advanced precision engineering protocols, ensuring stringent quality standards throughout our global operations.
This robotic arm maintains a zero-error tolerance for materials processing.
Reliable product performance is guaranteed.
Advanced production equipment implementing precision engineering protocols, maintaining precise manufacturing tolerances, and ensuring reliable product performance.
Advanced production equipment implements precision engineering protocols, ensuring reliable product performance throughout global operations.
Manufacturing sequence showing clean room environments, fabricating packaging preparation, utilizing advanced production equipment, implementing precision.
Sequence utilizes advanced production equipment, implementing precision engineering protocols to ensure exceptional precision and reliable product performance.
Implementing precision engineering protocols ensures reliable product performance throughout global operations.
The scan on Unit 7 is complete.
Precision metrics are holding at 99.9%. Finalizing the report now.
Manufacturing sequence showing advanced materials processing, implementing logistics and distribution, utilizing advanced production equipment.
The calibration sequence is holding steady at 99.998% compliance.
Good. The validation protocols are confirmed.
The precision engineering protocols are maintaining tolerances within the specified 5 microns.
Reliable product performance confirmed across all global operations. From raw material inspection to precision engineering, our automated systems ensure reliable product performance across global operations. Advanced manufacturing protocols configure the primary stage, utilizing precision engineering for superior standards and reliable global performance. Automated quality control coordinates every step of the precision machining process, utilizing advanced production equipment to maintain consistent quality and reliable performance.
Utilizing advanced production equipment, our integrated lines implement precision engineering protocols.
Implementing precision engineering protocols and maintaining stringent quality standards ensures reliable product performance throughout global operations. This advanced production equipment ensures precise manufacturing tolerances, guaranteeing reliable performance across our global operations.
We implement precision engineering protocols, utilizing advanced production equipment for rigorous testing and validation.
Sophisticated automated systems manage raw material receiving and quality inspection, ensuring precision engineering protocols are met for reliable global operations.
From preparation to quality control, we implement advanced precision engineering protocols, ensuring reliable product performance globally.
Manufacturing sequence showing real-time monitoring systems, calibrating soldering and joining operations, utilizing advanced production equipment, implementing.
This data point confirms the alignment.
Agreed. I'm logging the successful validation now.
We utilize advanced production equipment and precision engineering protocols, ensuring reliable product performance through.
Comprehensive testing protocols validate complete product functionality, ensuring exceptional quality throughout the manufacturing process.
This visualization confirms the delay in the Central European sector.
If we look here, we can leverage alternate ground transport to mitigate the impact.
These graphs clearly show the areas needing improvement in the materials testing phase.
If we refine the design here,
This demonstrates how we integrate safety protocols directly into the operational procedures, ensuring quality standards are met at every stage of production.